Hello, darlings, and thank you for joining me for a much anticipated
Girl Makeover.
41% of you wanted to see a Disney princess doll makeover, beating out my clone dolls and my Y2K Charlie's Angels dolls, but don't worry, their makeovers are coming soon. The majority of you also voted in favor of my 1995 Sun Colors Pocahontas doll, so I came up with 3 different looks to complement 3 sets of rustic looking jewelry I made using beads and brass charms in a patina finish. As for the doll, she's in very good shape. However, her hair is dry and really matted. She needs a deep conditioning and maybe a miracle. It's bath time, and it's time to give her a good scrub down. I like to use this dedicated toothbrush and warm soapy water. I'm so happy to be back to doing makeover videos. I find it very gratifying, so I look forward to doing more in the new year, so stay tuned for those. Scrub-a-dub-dub. I give her a good shampooing, and now a rinse, and I work through a generous amount of conditioner, letting it sit for at least 10 minutes, and then gently comb through starting at the ends. I repeat the comb through with a fine-tooth comb and then dip to rinse in boiled water. Despite being careful, there's still some breakage, as you can see by this hairball. Her hair has dried overnight and it's so shiny, silky, soft and smooth, and it smells great too. I've got her redressed in her original dress. It's been all cleaned up along with some of her other items for this makeover. It's so satisfying seeing her hair get reset. Isn't she beautiful? I'm interrupting this makeover for a quick Happy Mail opening. A huge thank you to Stefan, who watches the channel. He reached out to me on Instagram and we became doll friends. He was about to donate these clothes and offered to send them to me. How sweet. We have here a Belle dress in blue and white with the white apron. I can definitely use that for my princess doll makeover of Belle. There is another Pocahontas dress, which I plan to use in a different project altogether. And then this yellow Belle gown, and it looks like it needs a little TLC, but it might have some potential. A pink princess dress. We weren't sure which doll this belongs to, so if you know, drop a comment. I might already have a doll that this belongs to. Ooh, another yellow gown for Belle, but this one is really satiny and sparkly and looks to be in really good shape. I really like this one. And this is another Pocahontas dress. He warned me that it was really musty, so he was kind enough to pack it in a separate bag. I can probably use it for another project that I have in mind. So thanks again. I really appreciate it. Back to the makeover, and I realize I still need to pierce her ears, so out comes the push pin. And as I'm poking Pocahontas, I realize she's now an official bad girl. Her first look is going to showcase this jewelry I made with the diamond pendants and topaz beads. I envisioned her in a tan blazer, and I lucked out with this leather look blazer that I'm going to snatch right off of this Cameron Diaz doll from my Charlie's Angels dolls. I love the detail, the snap closure, there's a gold button, and an attached gold tie belt. Love this piece. And I love these sparkly blue jeans. I'm going to borrow these off a thrifted Generation Girl Barbie. I love the ribbon detail and fringe at the bottom. And I'm also going to use this white satiny mock neck top from my 90s Fashion Avenue stash and these short golden cowboy boots from an accessory pack. Put them together. What do you get? Bibbidi bobbidi boo! And boom! There she is. Ooh, the sleeves are a bit long, but I'm loving this look. I'm gonna do a 360. I really love how this look came together. I didn't have many purses that worked with this look, but I found this one, and I think it gives her a little added bling. It's a little tricky to put on over her wide sleeves, but with a little editing, I mean magic. Boom! It's that easy. For her next look, I wanted to showcase these textured round pendant necklace and earrings with blue and green beads. I think they look tribal or ceremonial. So I'm using this long dress. It's one of my favorites from an early Temu haul. It's multicolored in a batik print, I believe. I am also going to use these simple pink mules, and I've got a surprise in store for her hair. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. There she is, giving goddess vibes. I put her hair up in a simple twist updo and used her original belt as a headdress. She looks so regal, like a real princess. Gorgeous. For her third and final look, I'm using these feather charm earrings and necklace with blue beads. I wanted to use her original dress for this look, and I'm going to use that first jacket that I used in tan and some beige booties. They're so cute.
Hakuna Matata!
Boom! She's looking classic and contemporary. I love the feather charm jewelry, and I added the little rhinestone purse for extra bling. The nice thing about the jewelry is it's all interchangeable, so I can mix and match. Here she is in her original dress, and in case you're wondering, this colorful leaf pattern appears on it in the sun. So let me know in the comments which of these 3 looks was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye for now.